What's up, YouTube? This is your boy, Frank Wavy, back in this, man. And today, man, well, I keep saying man, but today, we're doing mystery box challenge, man. So, I ordered this about a week ago and it just came in right now, which is not bad. It was worth $100. So, hopefully, I get my $100 back in items. So, let's take a look. Hit that intro.
Went to Texas for a few days, wanted to scout out the properties. Looking like I won a lottery, none of that hate really bother me. YouTube 3 years, they don't wanna see me blow. They don't wanna hear the flow, but this usually how I go. Bankroll, the bank tells know my name. My life now not the same, I got money with the fame. Paper.
So, alright, so let's start opening this box. Let's see. Hopefully it's not dead in here or alive. Hopefully it's. Let's see if it's working. Oh shit. Wasn't even hard. Oh shit. Yo. Alright, the first item I got. So, yeah, he sent me a letter. Happy holidays. Hope the holidays bring you many reasons to smile. Thank you for the purchase. I try my best on the $100 mystery box. Enjoy. No problem, man. No problem. So, I see quite a few items in here. About 10 items. I can't see everything, but let's take a look. The first item he gave me, envelope. Imagine he sent me the $100 back in here. That'd be crazy. Let me see what it was. Let me see what it is. Let me see. No. Is it empty? What is this? How much is this? 20?
Really, nigga?
Bro, $1 bill? Yo, I'm dead. The second item he gave me. I said second, the third item. An Xbox 360 disc case. With a Soulja Boy disc.
Soulja Boy, I'm in it. Why me crack it? Why me roll? Why me crack that Soulja Boy? That Superman? That now why me crack that Soulja? Now why me crack that Soulja? Now why me crack that Soulja? Now why me crack that Soulja?
So, that's just, I'm just dying, man. He sent me, what is this? Oh, this way he asked me for my size and my favorite sports team. This looks brand new, so they don't say the price. That's valid, something valid. Thank you, man. The other item he got me was a Staples case. What? What the dirty? What am I use this for? Oh well. 5,000? It's probably worth like $10. No. I'm guessing like 6. He sent me, I see 1, 2, 3. It's 4. Alright, so he sent me 2 candies. 5 and a 3 or 3 and a 5. So it's probably a little kid who sent me this, but thank you. Everybody's birthday. Happy birthday. What the hell is that? Is that a roach? Bro, what the hell is it? Nah, I'm playing with y'all. This man also got me 2 more things, man. A pink Kate Spade. What is this? Kate Spade case? I don't even have an iPhone, so what? Why do I need this? It must also send me a trap phone. a trap phone, bro. It doesn't even work. This don't even work. I'm dead. See, there's no more items in this box. Did I get $100 back? I'll say no. Probably got like around $40 back, but it's whatever. I just did it for the fun. If you want to see another one and a more expensive one or a cheaper one, comment down below. Like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. I forgot one more thing. I'm doing a giveaway, hopefully soon. So comment down what you guys want in the giveaway, and I'll make the next video on that. Give me 10 likes, and I'm out.